Now I know I'm going to have to readjust everything here. I had it all set up just right yesterday, at least what I thought was just right. But one of the viewers made a suggestion, and I'm going to try it. I'm not sure what his name is. I think it's Bill. But anyway, he was saying that what he does is he will use masking tape to make a zero clearance thingamajiggy here. I think in order for that to work, I'm going to have to take this, I don't know if you pronounce it riving or ribbon. I think it's probably ribbon. Okay, I'll take that out. Now, I had never thought of this or heard of this before. So let's just see here. We'll try it out, see if it works. I mean, I'm only going to lose about 3 feet of masking tape here, or rather duct tape. I do know the difference. Okay. Now I would think in order for this to work, it would have to go right over the front here so that it doesn't catch and roll up on you. All right. Now the idea is I should be able to just raise the blade up through that. So let's just see how it works. I'm going to stand off to the side here just a little bit, but anyway, here we go. I think I got the blade high enough. Maybe another 1/16 of an inch. That's close enough. Now the idea is your little stuff shouldn't fall in there. Well, I don't know. It might. Well, anyway, he said it works. He figures he gets about 50 passes, you know. I imagine this would wear down in time, especially if this wasn't smooth. Maybe I'll just sand the bottom of this. And also I'll have to be careful not to press down too hard. Well, we'll give it a try. Okay, I've sanded the bottom of this now, so it's not going to dig into the tape here. Even though it's smooth, it does catch easy. And I'm going to be wearing face protection because I realize that there's a real good chance that after the little piece comes across there, it could catch and come flying back at me. I'm adjusted back to the way I was. I think I've got it about the same as this little sample piece from yesterday. By the way, this episode is going to be short. I was kind of tied up until about 3 o'clock this afternoon, so we're not going to have a whole lot to show you. Anyway, it's short, but you know what? It's going to be interesting. I never thought of this, and I thought I'd thought of everything. This brings to mind a comedy show that ran for many years, a very successful comedy show here in Canada. Some of you may have even seen it. It was called The Red Green Show. And Red Green used to use duct tape on almost everything. He made all kinds of unusual repairs using duct tape. And I'll bet you Red Green never thought of this. You know, you're never too old to learn.